So that is the basic right there. Your ARV is you find a property that looks like an investor potential. You call up your agent and say, hey, how much is this house worth when it's all fixed up? That's ARV, after repair value. Closing costs, your basic 3% for the buyer's agent, 3% for the selling agent, 3% for title and escrow. And again, this is just a rough estimate because the point is for you to practice the numbers so you can move forward and decide. If you're within, if it looks like at the end of this calculation, it looks like there's a profit to be made, then you go to the next level of due diligence, which is getting the actual right number. Because these are all just estimates on your laptop, okay? Your rehab. Once you meet your contractors that you drive around, you've got to met them, introduce yourself to the community. When you see that property and you're practicing, hey, look, I got this house. I'm thinking about buying it, and I prefer you. Based on the community said you have your experience, you've done this before. I'd like you to give me a bid on this, and if your numbers make sense, then I can calculate if I can purchase this house for the right price. They'll give you the rehab bid. Your holding costs, a lot of time we're leveraging these properties when we buy it. We either use hard money lender and private money lenders. Private money lenders, just individuals, again, that have retirement accounts or money under the mattress that you can utilize. And again, you just gotta have all this put together to present to an investor and say, hey, we have a potential profit that we can make, and this is how much money I need. Okay? Of course, there's a lot more involved into it. So holding costs, paying